All right, guys. I just wanted to make a video on, how to start a phone farm from scratch. And I just wanted to take you through the steps of kind of like how I did it. And you don't have to follow how I did it, but I think it's a good guide on how to get into phone mining. I think the first step you should do before you get any phones or anything is figure out how you want to situate your phones with either power and stands. So I'm gonna go into my mining room and I'm gonna show you my two options you have, and we'll go over them, and yeah, we'll go from there. So the two options here, you either have the actual phone stand that comes with a power supply. I find these are nice because they come with a power supply and your phones just sit neat and organized. And I'll go a little bit over which ones I use right now. So this is the Unitek USB charging station. It holds 10 phones and it is 60 watts. And 60 watts is the cheapest you'll want to go. And I'll also link the USB cables I use. But yeah, so far these charging stations have been great. I've been running them for about 5 months now. They work fine. And yeah, I think honestly, it just if I could do my whole phone farm over again, I probably would have not gone the Sabrent way, but I did. So, because it was cheaper at the time, and I just wanted to try it out. But yeah, I would go this route, and it just keeps your phones neat, organized, and it looks nice. If you have a little bit more money to spend, I would actually prefer to buy these ones. They're 120 watts. And yeah, pretty much higher the wattage, it's just better. You just know your phones will always be charged. Like you could put any device in there and it will work. I have one of these. The only downside of it is that the first port is Type C to Type C. So you'll have to get a Type C to Type C, after buying the 10 pack of the USB-C cables. But yeah, that's the one I prefer, but the Unitek one works fantastic. And then for your second option, I got these phone stands 3D printed, and they are running off a Sabrent power supply, and this is the only 60 watt power supply I trust. So this is the power supply I would use, and yeah, so you're looking at buying this, cords, and yeah, the next one is cooling. 100%. Like, you want to get your cooling down. So, before you even buy your phones, we're going to get where we're going to put our phones and the cooling. So, I usually buy these upHERE fans. I like them because they're cheap. They cool my phones well. And even if you don't have enough USB slots, they come with a little splitter, and you can run two fans off one. So that's pretty nice. So yeah. So those are your two options. I've even seen people like Retro Mike. His whole setup is built from Connects. I actually thought it'd be a funny idea to make my next phone stand out of Lego. So there's many ways you can situate your phones, but these are the ways that I like to do it. Okay, and now for step number two. Before you go out buying a bunch of phones, seriously, ask your friends and family if they have any extra phones laying around. I have 85 phones mining now, but out of 85, I got 6 of those phones for free. And if each one of those phones pulled 3 to 4 mega hash, that's 24 mega hash right there for free. So yeah, before you even buy a phone, ask your friends for phones, and you might get some phones. And another thing on that, you might get phones like this, which is an LG G4, which is not capable of mining. But these phones, they phones that run 32-bit ROMs, they can still run, basic phone farming apps. Like, I used to run HideoutTV and LootTV on 2 phones. And in 3 months, I got a $50 gift card to Amazon, and I was able to buy one of those phone charging, like the phone stands, and I was able to get TCL A3 for free. So yeah, there's that option. You use LootTV and HideoutTV, and you link that to your reward XP, and you can cash that out into Amazon gift cards. Okay, so and now number 3, you want to expand a little bit, and you know what? Some people just like to buy brand new phones, and I just did a review of the Samsung A03s, and you know what? If you have the money to buy 10 of those right off the bat and put them in your farm, go ahead and do it. But that's not the way I like to do things. I like to go onto eBay, and I will show you my methods on how I acquire phones through eBay right now. So the first thing you do when you go onto eBay is you're gonna go search up smartphone lots. Then you're gonna click search, and then you're gonna go time ending soonest. And sometimes you'll be lucky and you'll find like lots like this. The LG G7 is a great mining phone. It gets a really, really good hash rate. But the thing about bidding on eBay is that you want to do it while people are at work. Because if you do it on the weekend or after work, people are on the watch. And yeah, I've one time I did a bid on cat phones, and I got 10 cat phones for 10 USD each. So, it's patience. It's, you gotta wait for those bids. And then yeah, that's the whole thing about eBay is you gotta be patient and not just be impulsive. So yeah, you can find some pretty good deals. You can also take risks on lots like this. Like, I know some people that have gotten lots like this for super cheap, and every single phone worked. And like, ignore the shipping. I'm just going off the cost here, but like 9 phones for $56, and if you snipe that bid, like holy, like that would be a great start to your mining operation. You can reference my what phones to buy for mining video and incorporate that into your eBay searches. And like I said, be patient on eBay. Don't be impulsive. Just be patient, wait. We're in a bear market right now, so we have the time to be patient. And you can get some freaking awesome deals. So yeah, let's be patient and let's get those good deals, and you can get yourself almost 100 mega hash for super cheap. So another way to find phones is join mining discords. Sometimes people are selling their whole lots, or there's subcategories for people that found good eBay listings. So yeah, join mining discords, and sometimes people will give you good deals on their setups. And I've bought a few phones off friends off of Discord. So try to find those mining discords. It's a good place to find phones. I'm back in the mining room, but like I didn't acquire all of this in a matter of days. Like it took me a few months, and like even a few months was too quick because like I literally went crazy and I got addicted and I wanted to build the biggest farm I could possible fast. So you do not have to build fast. You can slow down a little bit. And yeah, this is 85 phones mining, and that's a Xeon rig. I'll go into Xeon rigs in another video later, but yeah, you do not have to go be this big this quick. It can slowly accumulate over time. I also want to add it too, like, you don't have to follow everything I said. Everybody has their own needs or their own special way of building their phone farm. And if you find a cheaper way, that's cool. And if you want to do it a more expensive way, cool. Like, that's the thing about phone farming. It's interesting. That's why one video I asked, can people show their phone farms? Because I want to see what they're doing. So yeah, you don't have to do it this way. There's a million other ways you can do it. But I just wanted to give a simple guide on how to do it. And that was my little tutorial on how to start your phone farm from scratch. There's other even creative ways you can get phones. Like if you live in an apartment building, you could put a little bulletin saying, "Hey, do you want some beer money? I'm looking to buy your phone or by donation." So yeah, if you found this video helpful, leave it a like, and I can do more like this. And I made a second channel. It's more for things that are outside of crypto, and I have a video with my friend Kelly, and we are going to be talking about life. And yeah, I already said like, but like, subscribe, comment, and yeah, thanks for watching.